Now, this is elementary level, so I'm going to only focus mainly on grammar and spelling and to see if they are consistent with the what the topic is asking for, mainly in tenses, if it's present tense, past tense, or future tense. All right, let's get to it. All right, this first student here, topic is my winter vacation. Obviously, the first sentence here in my winter vacation. So, the students often get confused about topic capitalization and then the opening sentence capitalization. So, in your opening sentence, this should not be capitalized. So, I'll fix that. Okay, so in my winter vacation, I went to school. Okay, I have a test every day. I think they're trying to say test. So misspelled. And again, this is supposed to be past tense. I had, but I was happy. So again, there was some tense inconsistency because I have many friends played with me. Okay, I think that I had a test every day, but I was happy because. Alright, I'm supposed to be this whole one sentence. I had, again, past tense, many friend. They get confused with here too. So it looks like many, you're supposed to have an S after friend, so many friends played with me. Okay, so where I teach at, in their native language, the students use play as a word for hanging out with somebody. So they're literally directing. It's a direct translation. So, of course, in English you can't say that. It's so let's see. We'll change it to. I had many friends that hung out with me, or I was happy because I had many friends. Okay, I'll just have to fix this. That hung out with me. And at this point, I will explain to them that the expression hung out with is what they're trying to say. All right, let's move on. I went to shopping, and of course, grammar can't say to with a verb that's an ing continuous, so I went shopping. I bought many t-shirts. I think they're trying to say t-shirts. Okay. I went to the library. They had again many books. Okay. They had many books I could read. I'll write it over here. I felt very good. Okay. I went to the bakery and bought. I need a conjunction here. And bought. So bread is uncountable noun. So the best word to replace is a lot of bread. I went to the market, another conjunction, the market. I went to the market and bought. I think they spelled bought wrong here. It should be O. Bought a lot of food. I had a happy winter vacation. Again, small or lowercase w, lowercase v. Alright, that's one. My winter vacation is a topic, and I see some issues here with the opening sentence. My winter vacation. Usually kind of pause. My winter vacation pause. I watched TV and they said doing homework, so did homework. Past tense again. And during the new year, they said don't eat, should be didn't eat. I didn't eat a lot of New Year's dishes. I guess they're trying to say specifically dishes made for that new year. And usually I'll let that slide because, again, these students are elementary level, and right now we're just focusing on grammar. and spelling. So any other rules will be, taught later when they're at a higher level. I'll let this slide. This is actually okay. All right, but I received. You can't see it, but yeah, they spelled it correctly. I received a lot of red envelopes. Okay, and that's a period. Sometimes the students get confused when using commas and periods. I received 12 red envelopes, a total of $22,000. Okay, period. I still had to go to, okay, it's past tense, it's Ximending and Zhonghua. And these are the name of the local cities. And when it's spelled into using English, I try my best to be fair, because sometimes the spelling can be inconsistent or just not correct. So I'll go back and double check later. Okay, that's the end of sentence. I had a happy winter vacation, and again, lowercase. And I forgot punctuation. Alright, this one's done. This one, again, my winter vacation. Sometimes I'm a little. I try to be not too strict, but I should take that back. I should be strict about how they distinguish capitalizing topics and then the actual essay. Okay, that's the only way they'll learn. Alright, I don't know how to say my winter vacation. Okay, I think they're trying to say I don't know how to talk about. Okay, I try to do. My handwriting is terrible. All right, and I'll explain this later to the students, because sometimes we have a lot of expressions in English that might be too advanced for them, but later on I'll explain to them. Okay, it was a little boring. Okay, first we almost stayed at home, so we only spent the day online. So we only spent the day online. I guess they're saying they spent the whole day surfing the internet. Okay, so I'll just specify we only spent the whole day surfing online. I'll mark it like this. Okay, I hope it's not too small for them to read. Second, nobody, so this is lowercase, nobody invited me to somewhere. Okay, no one invited me anywhere. Alright, so cross that out, I'll add anywhere. No one invited me anywhere. Although my winter vacation was boring, I didn't mind. In fact, we were going, and I tried to get them to emphasize the comma, because sometimes their commas will look like periods. In fact, we were go to grandparents' house in July. In fact, we went to, let's cross that out, grandpa's house in July. And I want to be a little bit more strict, so we went to our as the family. So I went to our grandparents' house in July. And that was interesting because okay, that should be a new sentence. That was interesting. All right, no H in interesting. I'll cross that out, because we can, now again, we're talking about past tense, so we could relax all day and played video games for 24 hours. That was my winter vacation. Okay, so they need a be verb, which is was. That was my winter vacation. Okay, alright, this is a really short one. My winter vacation, okay. In my winter vacation, I watched the game show. I watched a game show and listened to popular music. period. Alright. Might get the COVID-19, so I use the meet to see it. Oh, I think that student meant to say I got COVID-19, so I used meet. So that's the name of. Sorry about that. My battery went out and I had to redo everything. Okay, let's see where we left off at. Okay, so the part where it says I got COVID-19, I used Meet. He's talking about Google Meet to see a doctor. One doctor. Period. I'm healthy now. Healthy now. I'm healthy now. I went to Taipei shopping. I went to Taipei shopping. I went to Taipei. I think it's Taipei. To go shopping. My winter vacation. Maybe I really enjoyed my winter vacation. Okay, I put a V there. Okay. I really enjoyed my winter vacation. Okay. Alright. You know what? Let's do one more, and let's do a long one. Okay. Alright, this one, my winter vacation topic, capitalization. It's good. Okay, I want to tell you something for my winter vacation. Tell you something about and then winter was spelled wrong. 5 days before the new year, our family went to our grandparents' house. So same thing. Grandparents' house to celebrate the new year. Grandparents S apostrophe. All of us had a New Year's Eve dinner. Okay, good. I also received a lot of red envelopes. Afterwards, we went to, I don't know this place, and ate a lot of delicious food. I felt very fun. Okay, I felt very happy. Okay, I don't need to say fun. I felt very happy. Good. One day later, our family and friends went camping in Mali for 3 days. It was very cold, and we ate hot pot together. It was delicious. We even took a picture together when we were going home. Okay. After I got home, that's fine. After I got home, I started to finish my winter vacation homework, and I didn't finish the last homework until the day after I did. I think this is a fulfilling and interesting holiday. Okay, not bad.